magandang I'm Mr. Nice Day. I'm going to teach you again about Excel shortcuts, a very useful Excel shortcuts. Those are keyboard shortcuts we have here from 1 to 20. Okay, the first one is highlight the entire column. Usually we used to click this side column, okay, these letters. So but now we need to use the shortcut keys. Shortcut key is Control plus space. Let's do it. Control plus space. Guys, our next topic is how to highlight the entire row. Shift plus space. Okay, how to do it? Shift plus space. Select one cell, just directly Shift plus space. Then our next topic, number 3, additional column. How to add additional column? Control plus space as what we have learned. Then Control Shift equals or Control Shift equals. Okay, how to add? It goes something like this. Okay, Control space. Then Control Shift equals. Okay. Number 4 topic. Again. Okay, how to do it? Control space, then Control plus Shift plus equals. Okay. Next topic will be additional row. How to do additional row? We have learned Shift plus space and Shift plus space, then Control Shift equals. Okay, almost the same with the column, but this will be Shift instead of Control. Okay. Next, delete. How to delete a column? It's very simple, guys. So all we need to do is the same as we have learned, Control plus space, then Control plus minus. Okay. Delete. Okay. Very simple. Delete. Okay. Our next topic, number 6, will be delete the row. How to delete the row? Shift plus space, then Control minus. Make up the logic. Keyboard shortcut. Shift plus space. So now we need to delete the row. Okay. Delete. Oh, it's very simple. Okay, guys, no need to memorize this logic. My suggestion is to do it every time you use the Excel. Okay, if you use the Excel more often, then it will gonna be easy for you. How to hide the column? Okay, the same, Control space, then Control plus 0. Hide. Let's hide this one. Okay, let's remove the merge so that I can show you the with other location. Then control space, control 0. Very simple. Again, control space, control 0. The next topic, number 8, how to hide the row. Shift plus space, then control 9. Okay, how to hide the row. Before, column, now row. Shift plus space, it's very useful. Shift plus space always, shortcut. Okay, then control 9. Okay, let's do it. Okay, shift plus space, control 9. The next topic, number 9, how to insert cells. Our next topic will be how to insert cells. Select cells, then control plus shift plus equals. Okay, select cells. We need to select one, then control shift plus equals. For example, this one. Okay, guys, it will pop up some commands. You need to choose whether row, okay, column, entire row, entire column. All right. The next, how to do undo. This is very easy for you guys. This is very useful. Okay, Control Z or Control Z in British language. Undo. If you do something, then if you want to uh, undo, just Control Z. Okay, for example, you want to hide this one or delete. You deleted and then you want to undo. Just simple Control plus Z. Then how about redo? Now, if you undo, then you realize you are correct, then you can redo. Control plus Y. Okay. Example, this column you deleted or you hide. Okay. Then you want to undo, then redo. Undo, redo. It's very easy. The next topic, number 12, how to save file. So usually you need to click F, then save as like that. Now it's very easy, just click F12. Okay, F12, then it will show you, it will pop up which folders. You need to choose which folders that you want to save your file. Okay, the next, instant saving a file. Now Control S. If you are not using the auto recovery, but guys, my suggestion is you can use the auto recovery also. But for personal purpose, don't forget, be a habit. Be a habit, Control S. Always save your file. Next, if you want to do additional sheet, topic number 14, just Shift plus F11. Okay, Shift plus F11. So you need to add here, for example. Okay, let's do some additionals. Okay, sheet 8, sheet 9, sheet 10, sheet 11. All right, we have additional sheet. So next, as I've said, don't forget to save your file. Always be a habit to click CTRL S. Next, if you want to find something, search something. So this is very useful for beginner. CTRL F. Then if you want to find, for example, food, so just click CTRL F, then copy paste there. Okay, CTRL F. Okay, guys, in my recording is not showing the pop-up, so you can click there, CTRL F, then it will show the command. Okay, some pop-up, then you need to copy paste. The next, how to do topic number 16, number in decimal places. How to make it, how to do a number in decimal places. For example, these numbers. Okay, let's remove the format first. All right, now we are here. Let's remove, then let's apply. Control plus Shift plus 1. I think it's very easy for you guys. Just remember this. Control Shift 1. Control Shift 1. Okay, we want to do the, you want to make it fast, just do something like that. You can, your number will have decimal places. Then automatic current date. So how to know or how to put a date for your current date, for today's date, for example, just control plus semicolon. Control plus semicolon. Our topic number 18, moving to left sheet. Okay, so usually you have sheet here and then you have a lot of sheet. Shortcut keys is control plus page up. Control plus page up. The next, moving to the right sheet. So simple, just reverse that one, control plus page down. Okay, from left going to the right, like that. Okay. The next, how to insert graph. Okay, choose your file. So highlight your data. And then just very simple, topic number 20, F11. Just click F11, then it will go something like this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy a lot and learn a lot. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to learn more, please click the like button and write a comment below. Your comment is very important so that I will know or I may know what you want to learn in my future videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'm Mr. Nice Day.